family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have a little fragrance haul that I wanted to show you all. Little birthday fragrance haul. Some fragrances I just picked up and I wanted to show and tell, of course, right? So first off, I have two celebrity fragrances, and it's from the same celebrity, but I don't have any Britney Spears fragrances. So I saw these. I was checking out Ross while I was in Miami, and I was like, you know what? Let me get Britney Spears, because I've heard some great things about these particular fragrances, and they might not last because they're both eau de toilette, so the oil concentration for an eau de toilette is much lower, so I will probably not get a lot of projection. But what I am hoping is that this will really do good during the season as we're approaching summer. I am really hoping this would shine, but I'm not sure. This would be my first Britney Spears fragrance. But I've heard a lot about, and this is Midnight Fantasy by Britney Spears. This has your plum, your sour cherry, your raspberry. So in the middle, we have some florals like freesia and some iris. And in the base, we have vanilla, amber, and musk. Okay, so I was really interested in this, especially with the sour cherry note. Something that I don't have is a sour cherry or a cherry note that might be a little bit lighter. I do like cherry fragrance, but some of mine are a little bit more heavy. But this is so delicious. This is so good. I believe this would be really good for like a summer night, even maybe a really good, even fancy brunch. I would see myself wearing this. So I'm excited to wear this and try it and test it out. Do you all have Midnight Fantasy? Have you heard about it? I know some of you are into maybe celebrity fragrance. It is more affordable, and maybe some aren't, which is fine. But when I see a good deal, and I think that was like $10.99, right? But when I see a good deal, even if it's a celebrity fragrance, sometimes during the season, especially with an eau de toilette, sign me up, okay? Because sometimes you do not want this heavy, massive thing going on. And sometimes you are wanting a little bit of a lighter, great experience still, but you know, you're looking for just a little lighter fragrance. So next up, I have Britney Spears Naked Fantasy, okay? So when I looked up the notes, I saw it had Applejack, which is a kind of a boozy little drink it looked like. We have peach in this fragrance, and also cupcake, okay? It had me at cupcake, all right? A boozy, fruity, sweet cupcake gourmand type of, oh, sign me up. And on the toilet, I was like, okay, maybe the bees and the insects won't chase me so much, you know. We don't want none of that. But when I smelled it, I was like, oh yeah, in love. Of course, I didn't smell it in store, but when I purchased it and after I got back to my hotel room, I was like, oh yeah, this was a great purchase. So I am excited to wear this. It honestly gives me, it doesn't give me an immature sweetness. It really brings a sexiness to it. It's like a fruity sexiness type of fragrance. I absolutely adore this. I believe I got this for maybe $19.99, something like that. It was really affordable. But I am so excited for this purchase. Both of them actually. So if you're into celebrity fragrance or affordable fragrances, or you're looking for an eau de toilette option to wear for the summer, consider these because yo sis is mighty happy. Moving on. Next up, I got on my trip. I told you all I went to this like fragrance store in Turks, right? I didn't purchase anything from there, but there was this fragrance that I smelt there and it couldn't get away from me. Like it wouldn't leave me alone. It wouldn't leave my mind. I was like, okay, I have to get that fragrance. So my man purchased it for me on the ship, on the cruise ship. And I was so excited when I first smelled this. I was like, oh yeah, that needs to come home with me. And so it is Scandal, okay? Jean-Paul-Gaultier, and this is the Le Parfum version. When I say I smelled this in Turks, it would not leave my mind. I had to have this. And the packaging is so good. Love the packaging. Love the packaging, okay? So I don't know if you all like the legs or not, but I absolutely adore this, okay? This fragrance, okay, it has your jasmine, we have caramel in this, and also vanilla. But it also has a salt note. I don't know what it is about sometimes when I get like a salt note. It gives it just a little bit of like a little spice to it. I love this fragrance. Okay, I think I even like this more than Scandal by Night. I love this. I am so excited to wear this. Oh, put it on, man. Put it on, man. Put it on, man. Oh, I am so excited to wear this. It's so good. It is so good, and it's not too sticky. Oh, it gives just sexy gourmand. If you're looking for a sexy gourmand fragrance, consider. This is so pretty and good and sexy and all the things. Yes, I can't wait to see how long this lasts, if it lasts. And I'll come back and give you the tea on it. You know, this is just me, a haul. I talk too much anyway, but it isn't supposed to be a haul. But this, I'm so excited to have this. So excited to have this part of my collection. Moving on. And last but not least, I have another fragrance coming in. It hasn't arrived yet. But I experienced that same fragrance at Neiman Marcus Fragrance Heaven, you know. So Miami has a Neiman Marcus, of course. Like Tennessee, we don't. But if we did, I think I would be in trouble. Anyway, so got this in Miami, and I was like, of course, I have to get something from here. Well, I wanted two fragrances, but one of the fragrances that I wanted, they did not have in stock. So it had to be ordered. So it's on its way to me. So I can't wait to reveal that one. But I fell in love, head over heels in love with this fragrance over my trip. Like head over heels. Angel Nova stole the show. Like top down stole the show. But I would say next runner up was this fragrance, okay, with the compliments. Oh my goodness. And I was like, this is the right season for it. What we're going into, I have to have it. You all know I was going to be in my bag for this house anyway this year. So I wanted to start the whole in my bag for none other than Parfumsdemarly. Valaya, okay? Yes. Parfumsdemarly Valaya is in my collection. Yeah, yeah. I am so excited to have this fragrance, and I already took off the paper, but the reveal, look at her. Look at her. I mean, she's white, so you really can't see her, but she is gorgeous, okay? I am so happy that I have Valaya. Oh, and those who have Valaya, you like, girl, you got Valaya. You got Valaya. Yes, you all know if you are not new to the family. If you are, hey girl, hey, hey guy, hey, hey bro, hey. But you all know that I am definitely this year. The year's not up, but I'm going to be in my Parfumsdemarly bag. Okay, I want the entire collection. I was able to smell things, and I was like, ooh, do I want Parfums? Do I want Delina Exclusive? Do I want that one? Or did I want the La Rose? I was like, what do I want? What do I want? But my entire experience on the travel, I was like, Valaya showed her butt, okay? So you have to put next in your collection Valaya, sis. And she did. She is so pretty and good. I know I already sprayed. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. So good. Oh, so good. Can't wait. Can't wait. I will come back with some more thoughts. But I mean, I know you all have heard it all. Like, what else is there to say about the beautiful Valaya? You all have heard it all when it first came out. It was so viral. Everybody was talking about it. So there's not much I can say left, you know, other than, of course, my experience. But so far, with my travel size, it was almost gone. It's a swallow in there, okay? But it was so good, pleasant, just like sophisticated and classy, but just bold too. It had a little boldness in it. I love it, okay? Love it down. So I am so excited to have it, a part of my collection. But for now, that is all for this haul. Again, I have a few other, you know, things coming, ordered, you know, solidified, shipping to me. But I will show you another fragrance that I fell in love with at Neiman Marcus that's coming. I can't wait to like everything. So it's going to be a good month, a good fragrance month. Let me know, what new purchases have you gotten recently? Okay, fragrant purchases. I would love to know down below. You know, what do I need to have my eyes peeled on, maybe peek through? And you all know me. I am from your celebrity fragrances to your niche fragrances to your designer to your indie, you know, body sprays, mist, and all that and more. I just love to smell good, so I don't discriminate around here. You know, I can be a little bougie, and I can be all the way to the affordable, honey. It don't even matter, okay? Long as she's smelling good, that's the point. That's the point. Ooh, that's the point. And you don't have to spend $400. You can absolutely spend $10.99 to smell beautiful, okay? Don't let nobody tell you different. Now, because of my travels, I missed SAS this year. And honestly, to be quite frank and 100, I'm okay. Like, if I missed SAS, again, your sis, we don't discriminate over here against the body sprays. But this year, I mean, I have just a lot in my collection from Bath and Body Works. So I was out of town for SAS. And you know what? When I got back and I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to pass this year on SAS. I think I'm going to check you out next year just because I want to enjoy some more of my own collection, right? When you have so many things, you tend not to be able to enjoy what is in your collection. And honey, and I don't have no more room. Let's keep it. I have buckets and bags and I have so much stored in the area of body sprays, and so we just need to use them up, okay? Even though I was talking about a backup spray for that Sol de Janeiro. Anyway, so, but I really, I'm not saying that I'm not going to purchase any body sprays. I'm not saying that. However, SAS, I really have what I want in my collection so far, so I'm good without that at this point. So it's not to say you won't see Bath and Body Works on my channel, so let's not say that. But because I had already, was late and kind of missed it, I'll catch it next year. But if I see something, your sis, she gonna pick it up. But make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.